Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Hi Kripesh.
Hi Chris. So I think everyone's like tuning in as they're tuning in, right? So I'd like to see, or I'd like to understand where you guys would like to travel post this COVID, right? So COVID is a big thing right now, and hopefully this crosses pretty soon. So whenever the time is right, so I wanted to understand where you want to travel. I'll start with Krish, and probably people on the comment section can let us know the places that they want to travel. Pattaya.
Oh,
So we
okay.
have
Good question. For me, the dream destination is Australia and New Zealand. So I think probably after the lockdown gets over, the first thing I'll do is pack my bags and just head to Australia and New Zealand. Because I think these countries have opened up also for within themselves because the way they managed to handle the overall COVID situation. So for me, it's gonna be Australia and New Zealand. Let's wait for the people to put where they want to go in the comments. That will be some interesting stuff to see. Within India is also going to be beautiful, I guess, because I've actually been looking up, reading up a lot about travel as such. So whatever is happening within. So I was so surprised because I haven't explored India a lot, but to see what as a country we have to offer in terms of what is there in Northeast or what is there in Leh Ladakh, I think it's a beautiful place. So probably I should revise my travel bucket list and I'll add a lot of places from India also because it's a beautiful destination. Our country itself is.
Yeah, I think there are a lot of domestic destinations also, but given that people are hesitant to travel abroad, I think traveling inside India would be a safer bet compared to traveling abroad. So
Yes,
I
yes,
think
yes.
great. So I think we are pretty much getting most of the viewers, and I think we can go ahead and put on the rules slide.
So officially welcome guys. Welcome to the first travel quiz done by Pick Your Trail. We are so excited to do this for you guys. So I'll just probably run you guys through the outline of what are the things that you should know before you start answering the questions. So the whole format of the game, we are planning to do it three ways. One, the first one is going to be spot the country through the images, which is going to be a visual round. We're going to be putting up some exciting photos, and you guys have to figure out which country is the image depicting. And the next one is going to be a text-based questions where there's going to be text that's going to come on your screen, and you guys have to answer it. And the last one, the one that I loved crafting the questions more, was the guess your airlines. So we're going to show you, some airline logos, and you guys have to figure out which airline they are. So these are the three formats that we're going to have in this quiz session as such. The next point that I want to tell you guys is that it's going to be winner takes all. So whoever gets the most points is going to win the travel voucher. So we have the backend guys working here and putting up the points as such. So they will be calculating the winner. And the last one, we would be announcing the winner by tonight on our Instagram story. So watch out for our Pick Your Trail Instagram account for the story, and then we will get in touch with you guys once you put up the winner. Yeah, that's basically the overall rules of the game. Now that we have told all of this, I think it's time for the game, Kripesh. So Computer G, are you ready?
Yeah, I think thanks so much, Krish. I think computer is almost ready. So in terms of quiz, right? So we have around 15 questions. Some might be easy, some might be difficult. So I think winner takes all is the concept. So whoever gets the maximum correct answers gets to win travel vouchers. So in case you're guessing what the price is, it's travel voucher that you can use later. So this is the first question for the day. So this will be a text-based question, and here you go. So this fruit typically is from Singapore. So when you go to Singapore, you might get to see this fruit, and to be honest, this has a really bad smell. To be honest, so when I've been there, the odor for this fruit is like so distinct that you might want to throw up. So we are getting the answers here and there. So I think we've got the answers.
No, so I'm just waiting for the answer to pop up on my comments. I'm still seeing people joining. So
Okay. So we're still waiting for comments. So probably we'll start.
yes, we have the answer. I think the account handle is Miss Panda here. So we have the answer right there. It's durian fruit. So Interestingly, about this fruit, did you know that this fruit was not allowed in airline cabins or hotels because it smells so bad?
So I think that's an interesting fact. Yes, durian smells so bad that it's not allowed anywhere when you carry it in an aeroplane or when you go to a hotel or anything of that sort. So when you head to Singapore and when you head to Chinatown, you get this fruit or you get a smell of this fruit. So the second question. So here it is. So there's no quiz without China at this moment. So this building is in China. This is the Taipei 101 Tower. So there's a special. This building is constructed with the help of an inspiration. So there's an inspiration behind this structure. So if you guys can let me know what the inspiration is, probably we'll give you the points. Prasna, don't lose hope. I think it's time that you start guessing some answer. There is a special inspiration.
Yeah, I think meanwhile, when we get the answers, so this about this structure as such, right? If I have to give clue for people who are, I think we've got an answer already. The answer I see is Prasi Dev. He's got an answer. So it is the bamboo.
So Taipei 101 has the structure. The structure is inspired from a bamboo. So bamboo is known for Chinese Oriental culture.
Yeah.
So actually, if you look at the structure carefully, you could see like it is in the shape of a bamboo. So I think sugarcane is also a nice answer. I think I've got a lot of sugarcane answers as such. So Prasidev is the winner in terms of this question. So
Yeah.
you get this question. So
The next one.
on guys. So next question is similar. So this is the municipal corporation in Qatar. So if you've been to Qatar, you might crack this. So there's a special inspiration. When you look at the picture, you can see the inspiration or where it's inspired from. Probably if you get to do that, you'll understand. So
I mean,
in terms of the Middle Eastern countries. So when you travel to Middle Eastern countries, so you might get to see these. Tumblr, that's a creative answer. Full palapalam, it's another answer. Jackfruit, no. Pineapple, no. When you go to Middle Eastern countries, you'll find this often. Beer mug, no.
It's not a beer mug.
It's not a farm date.
Yes, Malavika Vivek, you have the right answer.
Sir, it's the cactus. So
yes.
Cactus, see them in the desert. So yes, so that's the answer. Great stuff, Malavika. So we've got the
Kripesh, did you know something? With regards to this particular question, right? So this it is a very intriguing to know that in Native America they gift cactus to people because it's a sign of telling them that they do not give up easily in a difficult situation. So that's a very interesting fact about cactus that I came across when we were looking at this question.
Yeah, so I think cactus people are in the US and who are watching this live, I think you will make sure that you gift a cactus next time. So because it's a symbol of hope there, apparently. So that's another trivia that you have. I think you can go ahead and give cactus plants to your loved ones. Abhishek, next time. Next one. So this Asian country has a temple on it. So typically, if you have studied geography well in your school times, and probably I'm not the right person, or probably Krish, are you the right person in terms of answering these questions?
If only I studied geography properly, I would have scored better marks in school. I don't think geography is my strong point, but travel sure is. We've got an answer already. I think the answer has come from Son of Gun. Son of Gun. Okay, Cambodia. That's the right answer.
Cambodia, the right answer. So they have the Angkor Wat in their flag. So the Angkor Wat is depicted on their flag. So Cambodia is the answer. So if you've ever been to Cambodia, it's a beautiful place, and you get to see this special monument there. The Angkor
And
Wat.
it is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. That's also something we should know.
So the next question for the day, I think that we are getting a lot of answers. So and a lot of creative ones as well. So
Yeah.
keep coming, guys. So that's a special. So when it comes to travel, right? I think Venice is a great location, particularly for people, for couples in general. So if you're planning your honeymoon, you should have Venice as one of your locations. So Venice is part of Italy. So when you go to Venice, you might see this particular bridge of sorts. It's called the Bridge of Sighs. So in Venice. So it led to a particular thing previously. So it has a special thing in terms of leading to a specific place. I'm looking for a specific place. C is not the right answer, Abhishek. So any other guesses? I think we can start giving up the clues for this, Krish. I think it's a pretty tough one to crack.
Yeah, I think if I have to give a clue for this answers as such, you have to think in the lines of criminals because it has something to do with the criminals as such. So that's probably your clue, guys. Oh, okay, okay. We have an answer from Shaker. Yes, prison is the answer. But yeah, prisons of Venice.
So the thing is that when this structure was built, this was taken into account that this led to the prisons of Venice. So people or criminals who've taken there just give a last sigh before entering the prison. So that's the funda behind this question. So whenever you go to Venice next time, make sure that you see this. And yes, of course, Italian jobs. So that's also right. So you might have seen that. So okay, so guys, in terms of comments, right? So it will be based on people who followed Pick Your Trail. So we'll be
Yeah,
reading fastest in terms of what Pick Your Trail sees.
yeah. Next
Okay.
question.
Next
Let's go.
question would be a connections round. So you have to connect these pictures and give off a country. So this is a specific country. This is not cities or anything. So this is a specific country that I'm looking at. So this is your first question in terms of a connections round. So you see the majestic elephant. And the second picture here is the clue. It's a big clue, guys. I'm looking for a specific country.
I think if I have to give a clue for the guys who are watching here, okay, Malavika Vivek, you've got the answer right. It's South Africa. Good job. I was just going to say that the clue for this would be that did you know that South Africa has 3 capitals? So it's probably that one country that has 3 different capitals for each branch of legislation.
Yeah, I think Malavika has got her dancing boots
Yes,
on.
correct.
Today. So great stuff, Malavika. So yes, it's great that you've been there as well. So you've traveled to many locations, I guess. Great stuff.
Yeah.
So the next question in terms of connection is on your screen now.
Oh, I like this one. This is a beautiful place to be.
So I think if you want to give off a clue as such, I think if you've binge watched a lot of series, you might probably get this country. So if you are addicted to Netflix and Amazon Prime, yes, I suppose at this time, I think you would get this particular location.
Most importantly, if you have to get this answer right, guys, you should have watched Hotstar because your clue to this answer is going to be Game of Thrones. Yes, I think we've got an answer. Watson Levin, Croatia is the answer. So it's not Maldivas, Mika. I'm so sorry, but Watson, it's Croatia. Good job.
Yeah, it's the Game of Thrones. It's a place where Game of Thrones was shot. So it's King's Landing in particular.
Yes.
Dubrovnik is the location. So if you're looking for an Eastern European country, you should be traveling to Croatia. It's a beautiful place. So the next one for the day is up on your screen.
Oh, this is my favorite destination. Okay. Okay, I think we have people asking for clues. So if I have to give a clue for you guys, let me think. Okay. Yeah, so the clue.
For this question,
Sorry?
Are you seeing the answers? I think we've got the answers.
No, so we have got a city from this, but we have not got the name of the country. Okay, son of gun again. Yes, it's Indonesia. You've got the answer.
It's Indonesia. So people might have answered Bali, but we were looking for Indonesia.
Yeah, Indonesia.
Suppose, as like any other quiz show, I think Quizmaster's decision in final. I'm sorry, guys. So
Yeah.
Afghan who's answered it again. So like Malvika, I think Sanafgan has also answered a couple of questions. He's also surely got his geography lesson.
I think both of you guys are clearly leading. So come on, guys, get your quiz boots on. I think you should probably see. It's going to be interesting.
I think we have around like 6 more questions for the quiz. So this is another question. So here it is. So this is a particular place, like I said previously, there are a lot of places, and if you have binge watched this particular show in terms of Netflix, so this show was available in Netflix, and you should have seen this show and this particular place in specific. So this country is pretty famous for something spectacular, or you might have seen this in one of the shows on Netflix. So do you
Yeah.
want to give clues?
Yes. Okay. I think you already told Netflix. If I probably tell out this name, people are going to find it immediately. So the name of the show that you guys are looking for is Narcos. That's your clue, guys.
I think
It's,
we've got a lot of answers already.
yes, Malavika Vivek again gives the answer. It's Colombia. Yes, correct, Malavika.
She's
Narcos
answered it.
was up there.
I think she's answered it before the clue only. So I think Malvika again with the right answer. It's
Yeah.
Colombia. So yeah, in terms of Colombia, it's Cartagena in Colombia.
Yes. A lot of people are answering Mexico. Though. It does look like Mexico, but actual place is Colombia.
It's Cartagena in Colombia.
Yes.
Great. Next one. Just give me 1 minute. Let me get my questions ready. And here it
Yeah,
is.
Kripesh, meanwhile, when you get your questions, so I was just thinking of asking about you. So, what are you doing these days? I mean, that's lockdown and all of that. So, what have you been doing? What have you been up to?
So I think predominantly I've been binge watching a lot of shows, and I've been working in terms of writing some awesome blogs for my company. So in case you go up to Pick Your Tails blog, you might notice that I've written a few blogs in terms of the locations that you can travel. I think you can take a look and choose your next location. I think we've got a lot of answers for this question particularly.
Yes, I think there's too many people who answered this correctly. I think the first one that I've got was I am Vijay Chauhan. So the first answer came from Vijay Chauhan. So it is Greece. So that's the right answer. You can put up the answer, Kripesh.
Okay, great. 1 second.
Interestingly, to talk about Greece, if any of you guys are planning a vacation, so Greece is the best country in the world. And because it's the sunniest country, it has the most beautiful sunset in a point called Hoya. So if you guys are planning a trip to Greece, you should definitely ensure that you visit this point and have a great view at the sunset. So that's probably an interesting point that I came across about Greece.
Okay,
Guys,
great. So
I think some of you guys are commenting the name of cities, but we're actually looking for the name of the country. So we're going to be giving the points to who says the country name and not the city name.
okay, great. So the next one is the logo round, like we mentioned. So these are specific logos of planes or carriers, so flight carriers. So this is the first one for the day. So this round might be a little bit tricky, guys. So
Yes. So this is a beautiful logo. I think if anyone is not able to figure out, the clue is the logo itself. So yes, Watson has got the answer. It is Angkor Air. That's the right answer. It's based out of Cambodia. It's Cambodia Angkor Air. Yeah. Guys who are commenting Thai, really close, but
great. So the next one is pretty interesting, lower search. So here it is.
yes. Guess your airlines, guys. Come on. I'm looking for the right answer. You guys should know this. Anyone who's traveled to Europe should know this airline because you surely would have traveled at least once in this if you've gone to Europe. That's your clue. Okay, that's right. Watson's got it again. It's Ryanair. So that's the airline that we're looking at.
So it's Ryanair. So I was supposed to give a clue, but Watson was really quick there.
Yeah.
Great. So the next one is on the screen right now. I think it's pretty much self-explanatory in terms of what we are looking for. I think the logo gives out a clue as such. So the logo
Yeah.
do there.
Come on. I think if you are able to crack the logo, I think you should be able to crack the answer. Come on. You guys should be okay. Amitabh, I think you've got the answer right. It is Olympic Air. It is based out of Greece. It's a local airlines of Greece. So that's the answer. It's
So
Olympic Air.
there are a lot of options to travel inside Greece, right, Krish? I think if you're going by air, I think you must be taking the Olympic Air.
Yeah. So it's usually people what they do when they go to Greece is that they assume that ferry is the only option to travel within Greece, but it also has a great amount of flight connectivity within. So yeah, I think Olympic Air is the right answer to finish it.
Great. So the next one, yes, Amita, we've got your answer finally. Yes. The next one is up on the screen.
Oh, that's an interesting one.
This is an interesting one, but looks like Lufthansa to my eye, but it's not Lufthansa, I guess.
I don't think that's Lufthansa.
So yes, so we're looking for a specific carrier here, and I think a clue for this would be Krish. I think it's not Finnair, Ryan.
Yeah, a clue is that it's a cold country, and this country is known to be a beautiful destination again in Europe. And interestingly, this airline is known to play amazing music on flight. So that is probably the clue that you guys can have. Think cold. I think you should be able to get it. Kaushik has got the answer. It's Iceland Air. Yes, Kaushik. That's the right.
Honest, yes. So we've got the answer from Kaushik, and it's Icelandic Air. So if you've been Iceland, so you might be probably taking this as such. So I think we've come to the final question for the quiz. So it will be the 15th one. So here it is.
Malvika and Son of Gun, this is your chance to get that travel voucher that we're talking about because you guys have been leading. Come on, this is your last question. You should be able to guess it. I'm going to give you guys a clue and make it easier for you guys. This airline is based out of Philippines. So it's in Southeast Asia. So think of Philippines. You guys should be able to get the answer here. No, guys, I think I like a lot of creative answers based on the image, but it's not Eagle, it's not Garuda.
Easier. SpiceJet, Falcon Air. We've got a lot of answers there.
Yes. I think Watson has got the answer. It's Cebu Air. It's actually Cebu Pacific. It's an airline based out of Philippines. Yes, that's the right answer, guys. I think that's the end of questions, right, Kripesh?
Yes, I think so. I hope these 15 questions were really engaging in terms of people getting to know about each and every destination. So we try to make it a little bit creative in terms of visuals, because if there is a lot of text around, I think it's pretty bad in terms of people seeing and answering. So I guess we helped you in terms of setting the quiz pretty easy or easy to answer or come back again. I hope that you guys would come back again to participate in our next weekend's quiz. Thank you, Sanaf.
Yes, guys. I think, thank you, Son of Gun. Thanks for your message. I think we guys had a great fun hosting you guys and doing this quiz session. Hope you guys had a good time too. So just reminding you guys again, our backend team was working on calculating who's going to get that. Watch out for the story on who's the winner by tonight. And, we will also get in touch with you through your DM to talk about it. Having said that, follow Pick Your Trail. We've been coming up with a lot of concepts and videos as such, because this season we are basically going with the motto that travel is hope. So we've been doing a lot of series around that. Watch out for the Travel Cafe series that we've also been doing, where we're basically bringing in people who are like-minded about travel and talking about it. That's also something interesting. And most importantly, we're doing this for the first time. So if you guys have any interesting suggestions or any feedbacks that you want to share, be sure to ping us on our DM. We'll surely, implement it on our next session. So having said that, that's it for today, folks. Have a great night. Take care. Kripesh, it's been fun hosting. Take care.
Thank you, Chris. Likewise. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. We'll probably catch up next weekend as well, same time. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Sure. Take care. Bye-bye.